my channel, guys. You know, in a real life with the boy Donte is so I channel. I need to get some stuff in town, right? So I get this bright idea now, say go walk. It's kind of windy as I can see, but it's a nice bright sunny day. I work a little distance out of town, right? But me now decide to here what me I go walk. So I'm gonna go in town and see how this works out with the sun and all of that. So if nobody see me drop down, please send help. But yeah, this is me now taking on the road. Yeah, sometimes, you know, you're just sitting down, or whether you're driving or in office, you're just sitting down and you need a little bit of cardio. You understand? You need some exercise. So taking on the road and see what I'm going. Alright, so it's 1 minute into the walk. Reach a little bit further, log in and tell you what I go and if I go out of breath or how I'm gonna hold up. Alright, so this is about 3 minutes into the walk, and you know, just bouncing along easy. Hey, I don't see them place. Yeah, so this is the great dome structure in the beautiful city of Montego Bay. Yeah, all of my Barracks Road peeps, and I know them place are good. You know, just go and bounce it out. Come here and say, yo, like I just need something that is like legit right down the road. I may say, yo, then I really need fit. Go in my car? Fit come right down here, so. You know? Ah, my general. And they feel a little bit nostalgic. And I remember say, yo, as a juvie, them place I walk out, them place are regular. I don't know where I don't walk. Nah, tell no lies. I fret about the journey to come back. Oh my god. I tug it out still. Because I'm tugging it out, you know what I mean? I reach a little further, check in back on, show no what I got on. So as I go along, I realize I can pass in some ice. Great ice factory. Yeah. It's alright. I'm just go and give them some of the snippets of some of the places. You know? I'm coming up to a place where most Montegonians call the place the wrong name. And that is a clinic in Mobe. Yeah. And that is the type 5 clinic. Most Montegonians call it type 5. Type 5, I go about type 5. Right here. That is the great type 5 clinic. Hey. You walk on black people can look boy you're weird. It's an idiot. But anyway, in this vicinity, Fowler Bridge used to be here somewhere until this place was, you know, repurposed into a car park. Yeah, but anyways, move it. I think I walk a little bit too fast, you know. I think I walk a little bit too fast. So slow down the pace. Alright, I'm reach another little spot. Show now I got them. Alright. So I just go up, but going up St. Clever's Avenue. Alright, no, St. Clever's Street. Good God. Yeah. The sun has started to take a toll, but must prevail. Yeah. Forgive the shaking up, guys, because you know, walking and holding the phone in my hand. Yeah, man. So approaching the hometown supermarket used to be. Yeah. Number one thing over here, I'm over here. Wrecker, man. Jeez and peace. There's a park them over car. But anyway. Remember the building now? Yeah. Hometown area. This area now have a lot of fruit vendors and so forth. Nah lie. Chest plate feel like friends are going. But yeah, they are going to do it still.
On 6103 FM.
Through the streets of Montego Bay. This is Church Street. Yeah, man. Famous, isn't it? Have enough home. 100. Not pass back. So this street famous have a lot of homeless people. You see them? Them look dirty, but they're not necessarily mad. They're just homeless. There's a man there a while ago because I didn't want to put him on camera. And regardless of them homeless, they still have to respect people's privacy. But yeah. I make it back in. Really, I wonder how am I gonna make it back. This thing is serious. No one sure. Alright. Need to cross the road. Yeah, man. Place colorful and nice. But that stand. Understand? Ocean of thing I go on. One thing in the downtown Mobile is always festive. Sure no I go on. Sometimes when in a safe place. Heard that thing I go. Ocean of thing. You know? Yeah man, place festival. Same way. A bad dog stand rule on it, so. Right in the heart of everything. I soon reach my destination still. I'm not telling no lie. Soon reach my destination, but I tell you straight up. The sun, hot, a warm place. You hear them boy have video before. I tell you. Hot, a warm place. But this is downtown Mobile. Yeah, you can't get everything. Fruits, food, bed, you name it, it's right here. Alright. So I just got you, I'm chop it through a little lane. So. Yeah, because for the place, for the place, my thing come down. Yeah. You know them places. Come to the great north there. Yeah. Long time I touch one of them places. Marshall! What's up, buddy? But you know I think you look my peeps there, right? Long time, then I see my fans them, I see me. You see it? Oh my God. If me tell you, say, yes or not, I lie me I tell you. Alright, so more break, catch my breath, and then I'll show you guys what I want on the return leg. See? So, when you see me I walk out without my mask after the Prime Minister said mask mandate full effect again. And I don't tell myself, come on, put on my mask. I have to take up my mask. Reach at the place. Reach at the place and almost couldn't get to do my business. Jeez, peace I did not remember. Alright. So this is Market Street. As you can see, fully congested. Taxi and main culprit. Anyway, I'm not gonna go through the rain. Chop. Brother. Manners and respect. Are you there, Jaja? Remember I have a yeah, remember the restaurant where I used to there, so and in there, so Tigers and Las Vegas. Alright, musical place, I'm gonna pass right there, so watch out. Sweet. Ain't no game out here, bruh. There ain't no games. I tell you. Squad them I roll through, you know. Make sure I say city well governed, see me? Squad them I make sure I say the city well governed. Famous crab general. What go on youth? There man. Yeah. Roll through and I'm real serious in the front here. So, alright, my brother, bless up yourself. Yeah. Said we, brother. Yeah, man, I tell you one thing with walking. You see, I drive and I go through, you don't really see some people. Amount of people I see a while ago, I don't see how long. Cha-cha. So I said still, you know. But anyways, my peeps, almost reach back at the office. Yeah, and the boy is still peppy, you know. So maybe they're not to take on a far journey like me, but you know, every now and again, can I walk out, man, park the car, man, make a walk. Yeah, go back around now, kick back under the AC and drink both a gallon of water. But anyways guys, thank you if you watched the entire video. Awesome, and thank you guys so much for keep on logging on, sharing, liking, you know what I think. Alright, so let's big up on yourself. As I don't know, real life with your boy Donte. I'm out.